Hey y'all, if y'all want to go from this to this, stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Supernatural, aka Dominique, or Dominique, aka Supernatural, however you want to say it, but it's me, and I'm back with another video. Yes, look at my hair. I'm loving my hair so far, but y'all know, hear me out. Y'all know that I wish I had more volume right here, just right here, and then when I do my hair on the side and I have my little side, I wish I had a little bit more here, just when I do my little flips. I can have some volume right here, right. Here's my side part. Here's my middle part. I'm starting to like my middle part because I can just do this, you know, that little situation here. But anyway, and I'm here to let y'all know that I really do love my hair. I love my locks. I'm rocking with them right now. But as we all know, there's always room for improvement. I want a lot of volume in the top portion of my hair. My natural hair doesn't give that to me. And that's okay. I recognize that, but I still love my hair. So when Curlsqueen reached out to me and said they wanted to send me their clip-in human hair interlocked lock extensions, I said, let's do it. This is perfect for me. Look how cute the box is. Of course, it got messed up in the mail, but it's still cute. This is everything that came inside the box. Everything is so cute and pink. I love it. Okay, y'all, my show is on. Pay attention. This is really what I'm excited for. The extensions itself. Okay? They're clip-ins. Clip-in extensions. I love clip-ins because they're so easy to remove. Put on and remove. Leave them in if you want to, but if you don't want it in one space, you could put it in another space. They're just so easy. And yeah, you'll need a pair of scissors just to cut that little clip off that holds everything together, that little zip tie. Now put the scissors to the side because you won't need them anymore. Okay, I was so excited to check these out. So there are 10 bundles of these, and each bundle has 10 locks on it. Here I am counting each lock bundle, making sure everything is there, assessing them. Am I the only one that counts their money fresh out the ATM? Yep, I count my money fresh out the ATM. I count my chicken wings. If I order 8 wings, I want 8 wings. And I count my bundles. Apparently, I have trust issues. But Curlsqueen came through. They didn't miss. Look at these. They look so good. They are interlocked. You can tell they're interlocked. And here are the clips. I'm popping those bad boys open because I'm ready to install them. Okay, so here we go. Now, I'm just assessing my placement, where I want to put them, how they're going to look against my real hair. They look good and natural, but the only thing is they're kind of more of a natural color, but I colored my locks 1B, honey. I like my hair the blackest of the black, honey. But it's going to work. It's going to blend in well. Just watch and see, okay? Trust the process. So I'm going to focus on the front half of my head because that's where I want all the volume. That's where I do my right flip, side flip, and middle part bust down 30 inches. But in this case, they gave me 10 inches. I believe my hair is about 12 inches. I measured my hair, my loose hair, before I installed locks. It was 18 to 20 inches long in different places, and then it shrunk, I'm going to say, about to 12 inches long. So shrinkage is real, okay? Shrinkage, and I'm okay with shrinkage. So here's my first placement. You want to make sure you have a good amount of hair in between your front and where your placement of the clip is. So you're just going to push it down. Make sure you open up the clips first. place it in the area that you want to add volume, and then push them closed. It's just as easy as that. You want to save enough room in the front so it can look as natural and seamless as possible. I'll do the same thing. I think I did 4 on each side. I was supposed to do 4 on each side, but I think I did 3 on one side and then 4 on the other, and 3 at the top back of my hair where I want to add volume as well. And yes, they do have different lengths and styles. Like they have the coily lock clip-ins, which I would have preferred because I think those match my hair a lot more than these, because you can kind of tell the difference. It's not a lot of a difference, but I like coily locks, so I want them to match. And especially because people use these on special occasions like their wedding day or graduation, or we love to celebrate a birthday, honey. So if you wanted to add hair or add length, because they do come in different lengths. The length goes all the way to 20 inches. So if you want that bust down 20 inches even, go for it. Or you can get like a 20, 16, 14, 12, that layered look. They start off at 0.2 centimeters, so tiny. They go all the way up to 0.6, and then I think you can customize because it has a customize option on the website. Whatever you want, go down to the link below. Look at the different textures, the different styles, the different lengths. Honey, they have everything a lock girly would want, okay? And clearly you can see these are shorter than my hair. They're not the texture, but I'm just using them to create the volume that I want right now. But when I go back and actually buy these, I'm going to get the 0.2 centimeter coily locks and 12 inches. That'll be perfect because I kind of wanted to even out my hair. Remember I said I want my hair to be even because I really don't like the layered look in with my natural locks. So if I wanted to transform my hair to make it all even, I will do that. But again, go down to the description box and hit that link so you can go to the website and you can see everything that's available for you, and so you can customize your locks the way you want them to look. And remember, just because I'm installing these clip-ins in this placement for me, it doesn't mean you have to do the same placement for you. You can start in the back, you can start in the middle, you can start from the sides, and you don't have to use them all. Just go to the mirror, look at your hair, and look at the challenges that you're having with your hair. You might not have any challenges. You just want thick, full hair some days. These are Glam clip-ins. So if you want that look, go for it. But some people want this on a daily. Like some people like to get up, go to work, go to the gym, and they want to look good 24/7. And I don't blame you. Big hair and makeup in the gym, if that's you, you are committed to the beauty game, and I applaud you. But each time I apply these clip-ins, my hair looks bigger and bigger, more voluminous, and I love it. This is the style that I want. I think Curlsqueen just spoiled me because this is the look that I want, and it's so easy to achieve. How? That was the last clip in. I put 3 in the back, which made my hair super full. 100 locks added to my hair. Oh my God, look at the difference. Look at the difference of 100 locks. A lot of people want a lot of locks. The install, I wanted the look of a lot of locks, like 500 to 600 locks in my hair. I have 326, so 100 more added is 426. And this is the look that I wanted, but I do self-reties. And just the thought of adding 100 locks, retying those locks will take days, and I just don't have the patience. So this is great for me. It gives the look that we want, but we don't have to take the time to do it, and we can take it out. So I think this is the best option for people like me who want the look but don't have the time, or some people, they'll flat out call themselves lazy. I'm not going to call you lazy. I'm just going to direct you to the link in the description box. This is a judgment-free zone. Do you, boo? And also for the people who wanted a lot of locks, but their budget, you were like, I want it, but I can't see myself going to the salon paying more money, because the more locks you have, the longer length you have, the more money that's coming out your bank account. But this was so much fun, just installing these, doing the different styles. And take notice, y'all, adults are not the only one with locks. Kids have locks as well. So I'm showing you kids styles, adult styles. Even adults love pigtails, 2 ponytails. So I just did it anyway. But do you see the clip-ins anywhere? Can you tell, other than the texture? I know it doesn't match specifically to my hair, but can you tell that there's clip-ins inside my hair? No, you cannot. Can you see a piece of a clip? No, you cannot. Okay. Very good. Thank you very much. In my Tabitha Brown voice. And then here I'm just showing you how easy it is to uninstall, to take them out, whatever you want to call it. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said, go check the link down below. Go check and see the variety of options you have. And I thank you guys for watching. As always, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post something new. Like, comment, share, and subscribe so YouTube can know we go together real bad. Okay? And thanks so much for watching. And I want you to have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.